7, the BNM division in Quarter. The call of I, Lee Johnson, to preach for the end by Almighty God. After when I had been suffering, working harder without success through the oppression of evil spirits and wicked people, for they had studied earlier my destiny who I will be, it came a day by the mid of February 2008 when I had a call. I came back from work and sat on my bed. Then suddenly I became so afraid with fear and wanted to shout, but there was no way to open my mouth. Then a voice spoke, Lee Johnson, use that money you had worked to go and preach about the end. With the fear, I answered, yes, Papa God. Immediately the fear finished, and I felt not at all as when a person through moving needs even a point of evil spirit. Feeling fine, but so normal and happy in the daytime. I started imagining how wicked the present world is, and how if I preach, the wicked people will kill me. But I felt that, as I had already answered, yes, Papa God, if I don't preach, then the Papa God has answered will still kill me. And where shall I go? So, this is why I started preaching. Even if you are who, whether you don't like or you like, since mostly by the 21st century, the truth is bitter, and people know this, whoever is getting that what is being loving or what people like, they can offer you gift, whatever. If you are a big sinner, that to talk like some things, they will welcome you. But the truth is very, very bitter. But if arising the time to be spoken as my authority to speak the truth, then the truth must be spoken. Then I started preaching where I met people to change, for I had been called to announce the end. After 3 days, while lying on my bed, I became as it happened the first time, and a voice spoke, go up and preach, for the end is towards a certain one in a particular year. I had not told, for it is less important to others, but just for me to hurry up only, and I still answered, yes, Papa God, without seeing anybody or told to answer so, but only through explanation answering. As I did not know if it was the end for me to prove all by destroying my enemy plot against me, letting people know him, I did not really know, but started reading the Bible seriously, not going far of what I had been reading about many prophets in the Bible, talking and warning only for all to be careful against the end. Through the help of God, I was filled with understanding of wisdom, that from this time I made whatever I have recorded in writing today. Underline heading, the New Order motto of identification. This movement is called the New Order. The New Order motto of identification is called the truth or transparency. So this is a place or a point that whoever says the truth can find the truth there. Because everything is transparency. From whatever I did, it happens that the technology being at a state that has gone so far in the world. Even if you manufacture something today, the pace is only to start. Once you start one, people will even buy the one you have made. They can even crash the material, whatever in laboratory. You know all these things. The biology, with chemistry, sciences, they know this very, very well. And they can add to their own idea, even make more better ones. Than your smaller sense, you even started. This is how the technology is moving. And as such, nothing again, as any device, any electronic, nothing can be made or to meet the demand of the 21st century security. This is why everything I did centered on transparency. That whatever is a secret will be proven known by all. And as by proving known, since everyone is a security over it, not being a security, knowing the truth where it's being found, is already the general security that no other one can ever trespass or everyone is giving the security over it. And then that whoever they know the truth, that is just the way I've managed to manipulate to make what is lacking and being the final thing by me telling this motto of identification. So, you have to love your neighbor only as we please God, or if you may not believe the existence of God, then only love as we pleases is your human right. For others will not too be bad, or suffer as you like, or may like wickedness, not to love your neighbor as yourself wishes to other at all. It should be understood that for those who believe in the Bible, by whatever today we understand about the call of Abraham to leave his father's home and follow God, the call of Samuel, the call of Moses when he saw fire burning on a tree and he heard a voice that spoke, but he never saw anyone. And for his obedience to God as a example of all these people before getting to me, all what they acquired is what no one else has ever done. That is very stated. For people to know the trusting and how believing in God exists like. Because from my starting, I never even knew what I'm going to do, but just my believing, by starting to obey and to be willing to do, I had the way, whatever I achieve today. That is just the beginning of it, for others also to be welcome and trustful in God. So, it is not strange that God has been using people in doing things, not that a creation God choose to lead or a prophet is a of God. It can be ungrateful than to thank God and praise God for the goodness done or to be God. This is very, very stated. On our line topic, the New Order division. The New Order is divided into two parts. Since vocation is personal, of you are voting while living heaven or hell. So this point is why it's stated in the Old Testament in the Bible under the commandment of God given to Prophet Moses was written, from the beginning of the world was only God who created all to be our only God who created and only Him, our protector. So God abounding this, never to have any other God except Him. Almighty God, in the interpretation of this saying in the Bible that people have been hearing, the God your Lord, this is how they were being using in the olden days, in the commandment. The Lord of God, you know this, in the vice you call it, is referring to this way, that from the beginning was only God. By whatever you see, whoever person you see, whatever the creature of God was created by God, and that God who created everything is the only one. There are no two gods or any small God or that existed. But that God is our protector, and we should never have anyone or any another God, again, man-made God, except Him, Almighty God alone, who is the creator and our protector. So this is well understood. In this God reporting speech, I am the Lord your God, or I am your God your Lord, you should have no other God except me. In Satan. So, this point of understanding is where evil, ungrateful creatures by God had jumped into the world to lie that no one should, that no one said them. In this point, you understand very, very well. On their own way, they jump into the world, making things, talking rubbish. That no one said them, of misleading the world, making so many drivers driving one way, of all we being black and white men, one people of one creature in one word of one God. This is already stated. So there is no need of people hating others, formulating things that people are formulating lies to talk only to mislead others in order to have their evil goals behind it. But all of us to recognize ourselves, we are creatures of one God, to think the common problem that can better humanity for all of us being human beings, not the others being city wild animals that come from the forest. By thinking fish, there is a place where wild animals exist in the forest, not existing in city, to be dangerous snakes, etc., lions, poisonous and harmful to human beings. But all of us human beings to understand by the solving of human beings problems among humanity themselves. So, it is worldwide stating that no two or more drivers can drive any car at a time. Since another one idea will be thinking to turn left, while another one will be thinking to turn right, which all this colliding of ideas or sense willing that I have to do like this, I have to do like this is only war. By opposing, by calling of war, it is just a normal understanding to exist, or if there is no understanding, then doing your own, I doing my own, is just existing of war. That is starting by such understanding, by other thinking. So this is the major problem, where the world has failed, where you will be seeing wars, hatred, tribalism everywhere, discrimination, you know all these type of things. These are all caused through this way, by different drivers driving the world into different directions. That I'm going left, the other one say I'm going right, all confusing humanity for the wicked people's goals. Who form this to stand at the head to say that they are leaders, but only leaders of Satan and devils, only to form lies. They cannot do anything to better humanity, to actually praise it or thank. This is what actually a person do to follow the world, but only their own main aim goal, only to separate humanity into factions, pieces. So these ideas to let the world not functioning, which all these godless fearers to fear God, being the beginning of wisdom, as to other believers as me, is where hatred of war exists. So unless you even exist to fear God, that God can punish you. God is great, who do this, and God is your creator and your protector, then there's no idea you can ever have any wisdom in you, unless you even have understanding to bow down, to respect, to obey what God is saying, and to know that God is greater and all and all. So while you are more self-system, is even where God says originated. So God can never mislead you to start welcoming, following God, to obey what God says. At the call of Abraham to many others as to me today is when you get wisdom of understanding, that God can show you the way of doing or knowing the truth. You are not to cause more harm than good. So, this teaching or rule of life is well stated that unless you will fear God, that God can punish you. There is no idea you will do anything good. And this is why other people may be different from others, or you may be seeing different or different things being done by different people, because you are not capable of doing that. You don't fear God. The truth is just that even it are very, very normal. As whatever is very, very easy. Everyone can do evil. You shouldn't think by you being wicked is of your own blessing. It's very, very normal for others to do evil, but others fear not to cause trouble to others, to be very, very quiet, very, very calmful, not thinking evil or letting them watching problems to others, being very, very quiet. It's just of their fearing to God, that if I do this, God may punish me. Not that you think others by not doing that they are weaker. Oh, but the truth is just that quiet people are the most dangerous. When actually the right of you do unto the point is above level. When they have to react, it's ever misery in every point, because he stated, but others not doing evil, it does not mean that they don't like the way or they are not able, but they are fearing God. So people must learn how to fear God, that God can punish them. And this is where you can do the truth by having wisdom. And unless you believe this, there's never idea you can do anything right, because you fear no God to do anything. And if you cannot even fear God, why is the need to fear a human being? It is just stated that if you see anyone who is not fearing God, doing the wrong, what can God do? Turning things upside down. Then if the one cannot even fear God so better, can the one fear a human being? Very, very nice. This is just you know understanding rule of life to follow and to believe the truth by believing this new order going ahead. So you shouldn't think that somebody who is not fearing God will come to fear by you, a simple human being. So great somebody, God, nobody is not affecting. You can go nearer or to think the person will fear you, or what can the person do to you? I think you will cost nothing or you miss nothing. This is very stated clearly. But someone who is fearing God is where you can be, the person is friendly, you can even associate to, because the person will not do evil, so God can punish that person by even fearing God, being the beginning of wisdom. So this point, by the core of the change or any me you are seeing today, is just stated truly that these people, great drivers, because God from the origin exists one God in this this thing, as the Bible says, that everyone supposed to be following that path God is saying. But only these wicked people won't turn away to be many, many drivers over the world. In the presence of God, you have so many drivers driving right, left, and this, separating people, my own enemy, my own group. This is the cause of violence, war, enmity, hatred all over the world. By all these problems arising, it is the time that humanity can see the problem, not welcoming or hating our own selves, blocking out by the wicked people in their own goals, by people thinking, tribalism, whatever, a person from here, not there, person hearing me, not that one, my own laws, my own ideas. I think it's very, very painful for a human being driving like that, my own choice, etc. One not seeing person not seeing the other person, creation of God with the eye, only of human being idea of human made God. Of human of man and God laws, that is existing. But what God actually spoke, which is the truth, before by all wicked have neglected to turn their own way, their own back, to go left and right, and want to separate the world into pieces. So, the question to be asked is this: if all of us was in one direction, one way, of one idea that God is saying, by listening, there exists prophets, even in the old days, before things coming wrong, there exists way of consulting God. Even the Israel, you can read about this, all this type of things, King David, etc. Isaiah coming, there have existed a period when no one could use the means of consulting God, which is effort and tuning. You know this, if you open the Bible, you read, the Jew is not just man-made idea, or to go behind to form their own way to come to deceive people, and say God has spoken this and listen. There are ways and there are prophets all over. And even if one is talking in any lie, you can go to consult. Even what they are saying is the truth, God has spoken lies. I think it's not very normal. By saying God is not the God of someone's pocket, but it's the God of the general individual, whatever. And they exist prophets whatsoever. If the world was only one part, then I doubt these questions were all to ask. Why could hatred or others be fighting others, not seeing others? This is a question to ask. It shows the way of different paths taken and different drivers driving the way. Than one God who created to be the God, the creator and the protector, as you follow the instruction he said. This is very, very clearly. So, all this has brought hatred, wars, discrimination, appetite, the separating of the world people who had disobeyed one God, to have followed, to see all others on our eyes of us. This very certain word, an enemy. In this case, the one who is not seeing you is an enemy, who is not hearing me, only of man-made ideas, formulated to lead you to hell as they voted to disobey God. This is tested. You is not hearing them. This group is saying, this church is saying, and when right, you are not hearing to them. You are an enemy. This is, but all of us tested by one God. What is God saying to have been done before others not listening? This is the question. Who I so saying is following what the Bible, God is reporting to the Bible. At the present time, what is God saying? By things saying upside down, Jesus coming all the way. Who is obeying God? What is God saying presently? There are people who can even consult God in whatever things you understand. By saying God is not educated, it's not something of someone's pocket. And you can hide in their pocket to be talking. You hear this, or they are saying so. There exist so many people who know the truth, and there exist only one God. So by calling God, or by saying wicked, something whatever you know, these are rebellions of God. God has said it clearly. And the only way is that if a person who possesses power that God has given to that person to be great, and the person, the patron, can never share power to you to be full. The person is still greater. If the person send you to go to do evil, you will not. You have to go to do the evil. If you go to turn your way, the person has the power to turn back to you, unless you are obeying God. This is just the reason why some people will call it evil spirit, but all spirits are spirits. And what you do with spirit, to do any good work, is being called work of the Holy Spirit. What you do evil with your spirit, you have witchcraft, etc. You know all these things. It's an evil spirit. But not that anything exists, anything as evil spirit or Satan. These are all rebellions of God to understand. Not people preaching Satan, but them the very Satan who are not hearing God, who are there or disobeying God. What is God saying? They can never listen. But Satan is talking to you by saying Satan in politics, by referring to your own self, by not telling you the truth. So, this to them, referring to you, who is not listening to that group with their own ideas of man-made laws, of man-made gods on earth, than the God the Creator, who is supposed to have been appreciated, living in His way, everything you have done by all of us. They know you an enemy, not worshiping their own group, man-made God or man-made laws. It is a different you, referring in this time, is a different creature by different God. The Creator to be humiliated, tormented, even fighting, killing others, in deceiving us, setting ourselves. Why am I a black man? Whatever. There is no peace. Whatever. Don't see that person, an enemy, a group of people looking their own goals. I think this is clearly for us to understand very, very well by the change arising is not any dictating, but to understand where the change comes from and the need of the change. So, fighting, killing others in their deceiving ways, deceiving us to hate our own self, discriminating, hear me, but none of them is hearing God. In all their says, you know this type of people. Are you hearing me? This is my own Zoom. Hear me, my own day. Hear me. But who is hearing God? Who is creating you? I think this is very painful and distressful. Someone who the whole creator who has created us, they are not listening. But the person, you and me, will come to form their own man-made God or man-made ideas. That hear me. My own church, my own group. This is hear me. You are not hearing. All of us, one people from one God. And the only idea to be welcomed by God, who is getting to God. People have created their own man-made God and man-made laws to be deceiving, separating the way into factions, letting enmity, letting the way into pieces, separating the way when water and water every day, wars and wars, enmity of enmity, when. I think this is very fitted by the change, you understand where the change is coming from. So in this way, by the main mystery of what God is saying, they are just only want to accompany them to her, that they are voted. That the truth of this, my separation of these two books is that who among them is hearing God, or the people, whatever they are telling you. If they were hearing God, all of us could be as well hearing them, the elders, whatever, and by so obey God, what God is saying, and the world could be living in harmony, living in one idea. People of the world having one idea to live, as even animals in the bush are all better than human beings. You see some animals, they move in groups in the bush, but human beings cannot see others on their eye. So all of man-made laws, of man-made gods, formulated in different gods. This God is saying this God is saying that. But who is saying the supreme God, the most high God, who leaded us and created us all, and decided, proven whatever, that this is the way to follow. Who is listening? This is change, and from where whatever you are seeing is coming like, not any hatred or to get others, or to think you see another way to people fighting, certain fighting one another. I think this is wrong. That for you to understand the change is not to hate others or to let the laws of others down, to let others rise, but the change of the peaceful living of the world. So this part is what is teaching us very stated clearly that even when God chose Abraham, his descendants prayed the God of Abraham, the God of Jacob, of Isaac, of Abraham. But they never said, Abraham, who has been chosen by God, is God. I think this is very stated clearly. It is the normal way that you can even use to worship God or to make the true prayer. You can never call a creature that God has created. That is God. That God was taught to let that exist, but to thank God and for them to welcome God. But you can't wait to call their ancestors or that your ancestors, the person chosen by God, you whatever God choose that. I think that's very wrong. I cannot call a creature by God, like these godless people, the fearless of God, that they don't have any time. Who is God to them? That destroy the world, separate the world into factions, let it eliminate fighting wars everywhere and every time, not to see the other person, a different person from there, different person from that group, different person not hearing me. But who among them is hearing God? This is the question. So, only wicked men of man-made gods to worship themselves on their own chosen day in all days of the week, in every zone, you know this, are days of worshipping of human beings who created nothing, as God created the world in 6 days and rested on the 7th day, called in English Sabbath or Saturday. All these wicked people are formulating man-made ideas to worship man-made gods, being all creatures of God who have appreciated all God done to worship the God, their empowerer, and the wicked, misleading you and me of both black and white men to be hating ourselves causing trouble all over the world. For what? I think this is well stated. Why are you not seen? We are all human beings. We are all strangers in this world. Why are we not seeing our own selves? And the reason is for what? Just for you, others as you, who are devils, who are wicked people, to form their own ideas, only to intoxicate, to deceive you. That's a people left, alright? That who is risking God for us to welcome to the one? And when shall this enmity come to end? This is a question by the church coming. If even animals that live in the bush, you see some moving in groups, they are very, very united. The human beings, why and when shall we be different from all animals? To prove human beings have sense, they live in homes, they are better than other animals. To see other human beings with their own eyes. But everywhere, enmity, hatred, discrimination, appetite, whatever, around all the world, letting hatred and trouble, whether by wicked men, the wicked people, following this, to pay people, take money only to let trouble. No one cannot use money to do anything right, to be remembering this, what a great person did in this place, but want to pay money to go to talk life, do evil, to separate right into fashion. So, this is the time, especially we, the youth, the new generation, they have misled, they have gone their own way, but I think this must not rise again or to be existing. We have to ask our own self, even animals can be moving in groups in the bush, you have been seeing them uniting. That is very, very disgraceful that we human beings, we shall be more tolerant than animals, to not see others with our own eyes. I think it's very, very doubtful that a human being to lead animals from the creation, you know that man was to lead all other animals, and animals were to see man and obey them. But today's days, why animals have turned attack to human beings, of human beings being their riders, not their carers, the patron, being different and looking at God to control all the earth, animals, etc. That even some changes will be arousing, but people will turn to be regarded to us as I don't know what I can even say, what I can't tell. But when you are trying to talk the truth, they are thinking all of their evil goals. That we follow them, not to follow humanity or to follow the truth. So by my coming, is not coming as a youth, and by uniting especially youth, that this hatred has existed longer. People have fought wars, slave trade, etc. But this is not the truth. But for us to ask our own self, what is the case behind it? Others have done that. They have their own emperor, or whatever, the patron, the autochtone, you know all these kind of things. They have existed and gone. But when other places rise up tomorrow, shall they fall the same way? Even if they fall the same way, if I'm one to say you have done this, I will show you, but not all to cut peace. When I'm not more, the other people for what I've done, if they turn back to attack, shall it be easy to in my own side? I think this is only the humility, the evil, the highest hatred, and the highest punishment, the highest hatred that your parents are hating you by forcing you, decreeing you, do this, only to let humility. When they are not more, shall they be there to save you? Other people will rise up, the person who said he was, where is he today? He will rise up to starting the passion, and this is the fighting of war, even hereditary war. You read the Bible to understand this very, very well. Generation rising up, going to plan attack, gather money, going for war. They are going to fight war, fight back of what they have done to their ancestors, or what they have done to them. The one who was powerful is no more. But this is very, very shameful and disgraceful that human beings cannot be seen with their own self, human being with the eye. But animals, seeing other animals with the eye, to be moving in group. But for us to think the youth, a better way to cut this enmity, and when shall we love ourselves? If we continue in this way, only to pay money to go to talk lies, do evil, but you cannot pay money to go to let the truth, or to speak the truth to better humanity, to say a great person, to follow humanity, or to do something great, and order to seem more grateful, to say you are evil, or you are great, or manifesting evil. It's so disgraceful and shameful that we, the youth uniting, the youth generation, we shouldn't follow this way, that to see the errors our elders, our evil people have done, not to follow them, to bring the same hatred, punishment on our own self, and even to our own generation, descendants. That even if you say great, you will come to pass. The great was talking, people were fearing you. A massive person, he is there. He cannot try. When the person is done more, when I will rise up, you will see. Shall is it anyone going to set you? Lies. But it's a time to say the truth of the better living of the world. So it is this reason that calls for two books, the new legal law of human rights and the new relational book of holiness keeping, with series of parables and a teaching to learn and credulous, proverbs, pictures, out demonstrating ways and even ways of worshiping in it, etc. You understand this by the formation of this book introduction. Thanks. So I repeat once more, my fellow youth, especially the new generation rising up to be leaders of tomorrow. I tell you, what your elders are deceiving you today. They are massive people in power. They have power. What can do? Deceiving you. Let's follow. That person is stronger. He can save us. He can do this. No one can try. In all and all, the King of Kings, this and all, whatever. But the all and all is all only God who created all and who can still create others. And who hate evil? By you manifesting evil, God pays evildoer. In this way, there exists any way. In any way, that's what I tell you. That to tell you, my fellow you, that what your parents, they are deceiving you. They are planting the highest disasters over you. That whatever the evil they are doing, adding days and days, knowing that that person is stronger, but in their own time at hand, they cannot see others. They are adding tormenting others. Do this to them. Add more. What can they do? Add more to torment them, punish them, plan traps to let them, even punish them, let them die. They are planting all disaster over you, my brothers and sisters. They are not helping you. When they are not know tomorrow, the very people will rise up and say, are these not the very people who are doing this? Before your father was carrying in front, was he not behind carrying their back, the supporting, whatever? Before your father was telling you to go, were you not the one obeying your father to let me so? They will rise up to build more walls and walls. And this the reason that war has never ended in the world. Wars are only being added days and night. And in every zone, you see, people will spend in every country, will spend money only to make weapons. People are suffering and dying. They cannot create employment. They cannot create to better people. But only to make weapons, employ all army, men, etc. Only to fight wars, buy weapons to put, only to defend themselves of the evil they have done. They know that others can pay them in the same way they have been doing at any time. But this is not helping us, but to look for possible ways to see the evil that these ancestors they have done, the parents they have done, by misleading us, and not to plan these disasters into our footage, but to tell them that by their passing with their evil, others will not come to attack us any longer, because we did not welcome their deed. We saw them bring the evil people, and we never welcome their deed. And by planning a disaster that will come to scream us, when they are not know tomorrow, if they are not helping us today, they are only helping us to planting where they will kill us. When they are dying, we shall also show them dying behind by enemies coming to attack us. But the need of humanity to think, why should you essentially arose among humanity? Only because the wicked will not follow one God who issue one instruction to be welcomed by all human beings on earth. And for us to follow this way now, to cause this irritability, warmth, appetite among human beings, whatever, be you a black or a white man, we are all human beings. It's very, very shameful for others to know that I can go there and have shelter, but you cannot go because it's the sin of your enemy. It's very, very shameful. We are all human beings. If animals can unite, why not of human beings? Want to pay money to go to lie, do terrible evil things, but let's bring the light. That's what can even start to appreciate. This is what a man comes to do before humanity, but all to sin, to let yourself create people you are getting sinning. This is very shameful for all the youth generation to follow, that we even as well see the evil their ancestors, their parents have done, and to have a change. You can never change, my dear fellow youth, unless you see the